guys, Michael from Jonard here with one of our latest products, the AHC-10 Adjustable Hole Cutter. Today we'll show you the features, assembly, and usage of the tool. The AHC-10 is designed for cutting round holes in ceilings, walls, and floors, for recessed lighting, speakers, or other round objects. It features adjustable blades for cutting holes of various diameters, a dust shield to prevent debris from getting in your eyes or making a mess, and a compression spring to absorb vibrations during cutting. Before assembling, first adjust the two blades on either side of the tool to the diameter that you want to cut the hole. You can do so using the included hex key to loosen the top nut on either blade. When your blades have been set, next remove the hex nut and the spring in order to put on the shield. When the shield is on, simply reassemble the spring and hex nut onto the unit. Be sure that you compress the spring while tightening the hex nut in order to tighten it down. Next, attach the assembled AHC-10 to your drill. Align the drill bit of the AHC-10 with the center of the circle that you want to cut and slowly start the drill. While drilling, make sure you do not force the cutter by using excessive force.
Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share, and comment below. Hit the subscribe button to hear about the latest innovations from Jonard Tools.